Any drink that allows me to smash stuff is always a win, especially when it has rum. You know, any kind of drink that allows me to smash stuff, well, I have to admit that is a good thing. Now, this drink is a play on the whiskey smash recipe I made a way long time ago. This was a Dale DeGroff recipe that I made and tried and loved, and I'd love to do it again. This time, however, I'm using rum, and we're going to mix it up a little bit with a strawberry syrup. So, before I get started on this drink, I just want to let you know there is a strawberry syrup recipe on how to make this. I've already done a video on it, so check that out if you don't have it. Now, the smash in general goes back a long, long time ago, and it's pretty much the concept of taking some mint, some lemon juice, some sugar, smashing it all together, and then using a base spirit. Now, this little twist on it is going to be a little bit different, add a few more dimensions to it, and it should end up being a really good recipe. You know, it was one of Dale DeGroff's, most well-known recipes, and if you're not familiar with him, he is one of the most legendary bartenders, and he kind of brought back the modern mixology scene, and is an author of a book called The Craft of the Cocktail. Definitely worth checking out if you're interested in making some awesome drinks and learning more about the craft from someone who doesn't refer to themselves as an idiot. The reason I get excited to make these types of drinks is because the room gets filled with scents. I mean, right now, I just cut this mint off of my plant out back. It just smells so minty fresh in here. And, once I cut into this lemon, it's going to smell awesome as well. You're going to need a lemon. You're going to need some mint. And you're going to need some strawberries. I'm going to cut a half a lemon into slices. Now, don't crucify me because these slices are kind of crummy looking. I'm going to take 4 of those slices. And I'm using a clear glass here just to demonstrate. Normally, if I was making these, I would use my shaker tin because I am going to be using the shaker tin later. But just for the visual, I'm going to use this clear glass. Like I said earlier, fresh mint. I got 4 nice leaves. And actually, before I do that, like I said, I got 4 really nice mint leaves. What you're going to do, put these mint leaves in your hand, just kind of smack them. It wakes them up, Not that mint sleeps, but, it really livens the flavor in there. Now, typically what we do is liquor first. The smash is completely different. We're going to put our strawberry syrup, 3/4 ounces of our strawberry syrup, in the mixing cup. And we're going to muddle this. Now, you don't have to muddle it too hard because, for one, if you over muddle the lemons, that rind, the bitterness from the rind, is going to get in there and your drink is going to be too bitter. And also, if you over muddle the mint, it's going to do the same thing. So, notice I'm just pushing down gently. I'm not getting in there and just jackhammering on this stuff. So I'm just going to dump this in the mixing tin. Like I said earlier, that was just for your demonstration purposes that I did it in the glass. Now it's liquor time. 2 ounces of just a light rum. This stuff here is made from molasses, 100% molasses, very fragrant. And then we're going to put some ice in here and give this a really good shake. That's going to get really nice and frosty. So a nice rocks glass will do the trick for this. And one big ice cube will do it. If you just choose to use regular ice cubes, I'm not going to crucify you over that. And a double strain will keep any really fine mint particles, any strawberry seeds that may have gotten in there as well. It'll keep that out of the concoction. As you can see, I got a lot of crud that would end up in that drink if I didn't double strain it. Some strawberries, some lemon, some mint, whatever you want to throw in there for a garnish. It just has that kind of thrown together feel, which is kind of what a smash is all about. And that's it. That is a strawberry rum smash. I hope this turns out good. Oof, for real. I like that. It's smooth. It's not overly acidic. And it's not overly sweet. I feel like it's fairly well balanced, considering I just kind of threw it together on the fly. I really do enjoy it. There's a lot of fragrances that come up through. The mint is really nice. The fresh fruit really adds a lot to this drink. Well, that was really good. And if you're interested in more drinks like this, or even tequila, whiskey, gin, doesn't matter. I don't discriminate when it comes to booze. Then you might want to consider clicking on subscribe down below and the bell icon so you're notified when I post some new stuff. Until next time, thanks for watching this, and remember that if this idiot can do it, then so can you. Cheers.